Hello, my friends. Well, I mentioned in the previous videos that I'm going out of town for about 5 days. And so by the time you see this, I will be facing the extreme weather in Palm Springs. But don't worry about me. I am packing sunscreen, bathing suit, and flip-flops, so I think I'm going to be okay. So today I'm going to do a pour with Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints, and I have diluted them with a glue and Floetrol mix. I get asked a lot, why do you do that if they're ready to pour? And it's true, but they're $15 a bottle, although I never pay that much. I always use a coupon. I think the price went up too. They weren't that much before. Anyway, so I like to have them stretch. But I suppose by the time I add up the cost of the Floetrol and the glue, it might come up to about the same, but at least I feel I'm saving money by doing this. And I also like the effects I get, especially with swipes and a little bit of silicone when I use that mix. So let me put some gloves on. I'll put down the white base coat and then get to work. Oh, and the idea I had, I'm always thinking of trying to come up with new ways to apply the paint to the surface. So what I'm going to try this time is white base coat and then just the black and the turquoise. And I'm going to try this. I don't know if I can even do that, but that's my plan. And see how that looks. I guess I could do that. That would be easier. And then come back with the, that's what I'll do. That makes more sense too. Okay, glad we figured that out. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've returned. I was concerned that what I had in mind might be a little too simplistic, so I tried it on a little piece of foam core board, and I like the colors, but it doesn't do anything for me. So I'm not going to do that. And instead, I'm going to do a ring pour, which is also pretty simplistic, but I think it might be nice in these colors. So, yeah. Start with the white. What is this? Aqua, I think it is. Aqua green. It's not kind of a turquoise color. Black. I'm going to go back to the aqua. White. And I'll go black. And top it off with the aqua. Okay. So I hope to maintain some negative space. Did I mention that? I don't remember. So here we go. Oh, I should have put it on the turntable. I'm holding it down very close to the surface to get kind of big, ribbony. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I can see it, but I can't put it into words. Okay. So, is that going to be interesting enough? I have some black, and I have a little of everything left. Oh, do I want to do ribbons? I'm kind of getting sick of ribbons. Well, I guess I can tilt it and then decide if it's interesting enough as is. So, let me think. My negative space may be there, and I don't want to just run it off there and there. Yeah, I'll go corner to corner for starters. Or maybe here, and then that side. And I'll have 3 areas of negative space. Gosh, it's pretty simple, but I rather like it. It's a really big area of white, though. Oh, this always happens, huh? And it always happens to be right in the middle where I'm unhappy. There's kind of some interesting things going on there, but I can't live with that, I don't think. Oh, let me turn around different orientations. Maybe I well, now I kind of do like it. And this, if this is the bottom here, turn it towards you the way I'm looking at it. I might be okay with that. Gee, I wish it was, I like this effect here, but I almost wish it was white there and had a big ring around it. Maybe next time I'll put a big chunk of white in the middle, although I don't think there's any way to avoid getting some of that as it goes to the next color. You know what? It's very simple, but I like it. I'm not going to put any ribbons on it. I like the movement here and there, and nice strong section there, which would be the bottom. I'm leaving it, folks. Woo, that was easy and fast, wasn't it? Tell me what you think. If I should have done more with it, or if you like it as is. Okay, my friends. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.